Okay, good morning, friends. Yes, beta, any doubt in my previous lecture? Yes, beta, any doubt in previous lecture? Try this example. Last time I had given you this statement, this recurrence relation. Okay, solve this. This is Tn is 0 for n is equal to 1 and it is 2Tn by 2 plus n. Okay, so instead of here 1, you are having n for n greater than equal to 2. Okay, so solve this one by that time. Let others join. Yes, anyone who has solved this problem?
मैम
Yes. Hmm.
मैम वो n इज इक्वल्स टू 1 तो 0 ही होगा पक्का
Yes, it can be 0.
मैम उन्होंने आंसर पे एंड्रू जाके गलत आंसर पे
No. Like when T1 is 0. Suppose here if I'm saying here in the previous example, instead of 1, my here 0 should come. So what would happen in that case? But here you will be having 0. Okay, like this is Tn by 8 plus 1 so on. So it would be 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 so on. In last you are having 0. But before that you are having 1. Okay, and Muldeep?
मेरा मैम आंदा एंड विच मतलब
Can you show
के
me?
टी
Can you
एन
can you show me?
ओ मैम कॉपी
Uh,
कॉपी दे मैं ते
it's
व्हाट्सएप पे भेज दो
no, beta. I won't be able to access that right now. You can share the video. Put your video on. हाँ, Muldeep अपना video on कर
एक
लो.
सेकंड मैं वो लैपटॉप से पा देना मैं एक सेकंड
Okay. Yes, anyone else who has tried this thing? Gurpreet Kaur, 142 roll number. Gurpreet Kaur. Yes, anyone from LEAD? Yes, Mohit Kataria, have you tried? Anmol Punj, Anjali. Yes, Anjali, I'm calling you. 130 roll number. Shall I remove all of you then?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you tried this example?
मैम कर रही हूँ मैं अभी.
मैम
Yes, beta.
स्क्रीनशॉट करना
Okay,
स्क्रीनशॉट
1 minute.
करना
1 minute. Let me stop sharing then.
ओके
Yes, you can do right now.
एंड राइटिंग थोड़ी मतलब
कोई बात
रफ वक्त ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ
नहीं.
ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ
This was
एंड ਵਿੱਚ
2t.
ਆਂਦਾ ਪਿਆ
2t, it was n by 2, na? Plus n, then 2t
2t n by
n
2
by 4. So it would be 4t. You have written 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 2 plus it will be 2n. Yes.
ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ
And,
ਕੀਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ
1
ਲੰਬਾ ਜਿਹਾ
minute.
ਹੁੰਦਾ ਤੇ
No,
ਮੈਂ
it's okay,
ਪਾਵਰ ਦੇ
okay.
ਵਿੱਚ ਰੱਖ ਦਿੱਤਾ
Okay, and in last you have written t 2 raised to power, it would be k na, 2 raised to power k
Yes, ma'am.
t n over 2 raised to power k plus kn. Fine, till this point it's okay. Then you have to
Yes.
assume that n is equal to 2 raised to power k. Anmoldeep,
n
is equal to
equal
2
to
raised to power k. Then only you will get this value as 1 na. You know t1.
मैम ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ t n
Anmoldeep,
by 2k
1
is
minute
equals
beta.
to 1 करना ना
1 minute, मेरे को पेन यूज करने दो.
okay
देखो, okay, you are getting here, this thing is right, fine. Now you have to assume, now you know the value of what? You know the value of t1.
yes ma'am.
Okay, so that means here it should be t1. But in order to put this as 1, n should be equal to what? N should be equal to 2 raised to power k. Is it clear, Anmoldeep? If n is equal to 2 raised to power k, then this thing will become 1. So it will become 2 raised to power k into t1. And Moldeep, it's okay?
ठीक है okay
Plus kn. Okay, right now I'm writing kn only. Okay, now what is tn? Tn is given to be what? 0.
0
So this thing will become 0. Okay, now it will be only kn. So if n is equal to 2 raised to power k, what would be k? K would be log n.
log n
Okay, so it will become n log n. N log n. So in terms of big O also, it will be big O of n log n.
मैं ਇੱਥੇ ਗਲਤੀ ਕਰ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਮੈਂ
ਗਲਤੀ ਤਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀ
is equals to 0 ਹੋ ਗਿਆ
ਨਹੀਂ
ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਇਹ ਤੋਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਇੱਕ ਸਟੇਟ ਲਾਈਨ ਲਿਖੀ ਹੋਈ ਆ
ਓਕੇ
ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਂ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ tn by 2k is equals to
0 नहीं
1 लिखता ਸੀ
नहीं
t1 लिखता ਸੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ मैं
ओके इसको बस हमें बेटा अनमोलदीप इसको हमें t1 बनाना है. t1 बनाने के लिए you need to assume that n or 2 raised to power k they both are equal, then only it can be 1 na.
yes ma'am.
Okay, and t1 is given to be 0, but if n is 2 raised to power k, here in answer you can't write down anything in terms of k. You need to write down everything in terms of what? N.
log
n. Okay, so if n is if n is 2 raised to power k, k will become what? K will become log 2n. So you are getting n log n.
okay
Done?
yes
Okay, good beta. Okay. Okay, anyone else who wants to share the screen? Anmol Sharma, 133. Okay, beta, there is one person in my participant list that is being shown as C, and it is coming like connecting. Is there any student who has not joined with his name or roll number? I'm going to remove him. I put that person in waiting room. Fine. If that person is from your class, he or she should send a message to me in chat or separately. Okay. Okay, Harpreet Kaur, no, you people have not done this thing. Okay. Okay, so this was what is given to you. Given is Tn is equal to 2Tn by 2 plus n now. So what you have to do, instead of Tn now, here you are having Tn by 2. You need to put the value of Tn by 2. So in this equation only, if you will put n as n by 2, if you are putting n as n by 2, you will be getting what? You will be getting 2Tn by 4 plus n by 2. Okay. So first write down this thing. Tn is 2Tn by 2 plus n. Then put the value of Tn by 2. What is that? That is 2Tn by 4 plus n by 2 plus n. Okay, so now when you will open this bracket, you will be getting 40 n by 4, 40 n by 4 plus n plus n. Okay, first let me write down this first n, because this 2 and 2 will get cancelled, plus n. Okay, so this n plus n will become what? It will become 2n. So I would be getting 240 n by 4 plus 2n. Okay, so I'm moving to the next slide. Okay, so I'm moving to the next slide. So here it is 4t n by 4 plus 2n. Okay, now again put one more value. Put the value of t n by 4. T n by 4 will be 2t n by 8 plus n by 4. Okay, now this 4, open this bracket again, you will be getting 8t n by 8 plus 3n. Okay, so till this point, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, I won't repeat all these things again. Any doubt till this point? Okay. So here, what is this? 4t n by 4 plus 2n. Can I write down this thing as 2 raised to power 2 into t n over 2 raised to power 2 plus 2n plus 2 into n. Okay, can I write down this like this? Okay. So this thing you can write down instead of 8. Can I write down here only? I'm doing 2 raised to power 3, because 2 raised to power 3 is your 8. Can I write down here 2 raised to power 3? Yes, you can write down over here plus 3n. Now you have to generalize this thing. So you can see this equation first. What is there? If it is 2 raised to power 2, then here you are having n over 2 raised to power 2. If it is 2 raised to power 2, you are saying plus 2 into n. If it is 2 raised to power 3 over here, here also 2 raised to power 3, here you are having 3n. So in generalized form, can I write down like this? That instead of now 2 raised to power 3 or 2, I'm writing 2 raised to power I. If it is 2 raised to power I, then here also you are having n over 2 raised to power I. And if you are having 2 raised to power I, can I write down plus I into n? Like an Muldeep had written k. Instead of I, you can write down any variable. Is it clear how to generalize this thing? Just from this you can write down. If it is 2 raised to power 3, what is changing over here? This thing is changing, power. 2 raised to power, this thing is changing. Okay, so in generalized form you can write down 2 raised to power I, and here also it is changing. You can write down 2 raised to power I plus I into n. Okay, now what was given to us? Okay, we have the value of t1. In the question it was given that when n is 1, t1 is your 0. Okay, so I know the value of t1, so I have to make this 1. I have to put this thing as 1. So put n over 2 raised to power I is equal to 1. N over 2 raised to power I is equal to 1. Okay, if n over 2 raised to power I is 1, n will become equal to what? N will become equal to 2 raised to power I, and I will become what? I will become log 2n. Okay, so I have to put everything in terms of n. Student, 1 second, 1 minute, just wait for 1 minute. Yes, better, sorry. Okay, so I have to put everything in terms of n. Okay, so here what is given to us 2 raised to power I have to put in terms of n. So what is 2 raised to power I? It is n. So write down here n. Okay, directly you can write down n. Okay, don't write down this thing, otherwise you will be confused. 2 raised to power I is your n. Now t into 1 because n is equal to 2 raised to power I. What is the value of n over 2 raised to power I? 1. So write down T1 plus now I, n you can write down like this n. So write down n like this. What's the value of I now? I is your log to n here. In terms of n, you need to write down I is log to n. So write down log n. So what is T1? T1 is given to be 0. So write down here n into 0 will become 0. And then you are getting this. Only one term is there. There is no low order term. That is n into log n. And there is no coefficient of that. Coefficient is 1 only. So you can say complexity of this is big O of n log n. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. Anyone who is having doubt can write down in chat. And if it's cleared, write down in chat that it's fine. Yes, beta, anyone? Madhukar Shukla, Navam from LEET, Mridul Sharma, Mohit Kataria. I'm not asking you any question. I'm just saying that is it okay or not?
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Who is there?
नवम है मैम.
Okay, fine, beta. हम
मैम T1 वो कहाँ गया वो समझाना दोबारा.
कौन सा?
Third last step.
This one. Beta,
Yes,
what's the
ma'am.
value of? Just see your question. If you
मैम
have
black screen आ रही है ऊपर. Black screen आ रही है आपके ऊपर. Yes, that's okay.
right now that is black screen.
अब
It's not
ठीक है मैम.
visible.
It's visible now.
Okay. So beta, in question, what is given to you? Let me clear the screen. In question, it was given that if n is 1, in question it was given if n is 1, Tn is 0. Okay, Navam? So n value, when it is 1, so that means T1 is given to be 0.
0.
Okay. So what I have done, I have just put the value of T1 as 0. So n into 0 will become 0.
0. Okay. ठीक है
Okay.
मैम.
Shall I write down like this?
Yes,
0 plus n log n. This n log n. Is it okay?
Okay, yes. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. And one person is now asking that why I have taken I as log to n. Okay, I think Anjali, you had asked me. So what I have assumed? I have assumed that n is equal to 2 raised to power I. If n is equal to 2 raised to power I, then I will become log n. You must have done this thing in maths. Because if n is 2 raised to power I will become log n to the base 2. Okay, so this formula you need to remember. And this will come many times that when n is equal to something like 2 raised to power I, and even I have told you this thing, I think 10 times, I will become log n to the base what? To the base 2. So that's why I have taken I as log n. Is it cleared? Yes, who had asked me? Anjali. Anjali, is it cleared? And why we are taking I, why we are putting the value of I? Because everything I need to write down in terms of n. I need to represent the complexity in terms of n. Fine, good, Peter? Any doubt in this? Okay. Okay, next question is this one. This is little bit different. You need some another formula. Okay. What is given to us? Again, it is given to us that when n is 1, Tn is your 0. And when n is greater than equal to 2, Tn is Tn by 2 plus n. Okay. What is the difference between this and the previous one? Yes, in the previous one, it was 2 over here, 2 into Tn by 2, but that 2 is not here now. Okay, it is just Tn by 2 plus n. Okay, so now what you have to do, take this equation, Tn is equal to Tn by 2 plus n. In this equation, put n as n by 2. Okay, so I need the value of Tn by 2. When you will put n as n by 2, in this equation, you will be getting what? Tn by 4. Here n by 2 will become n by 4 plus n by 2 plus n by 2. Okay, so that is the value of Tn by 2. So put that value over here. You are getting Tn by 4 plus n by 2 plus this n would come over here. Is it clear? Next, put one more value. Then it would be clear what is that type of series, Tn by 4. Tn by 4 value would be put here n by 4. It will become Tn by 8 plus n by 4. So here I'm getting Tn by 8 plus n by 4 plus this n by 2. N by 2 is coming, this n is coming. Okay, so you can see now this series that is being decreased by 2. Here it is n, then n by 2, then n by 4, like this way it is going on, so on. Okay. Now in last, I know the value of what? I know the value of T1, because if n is 1, T1 is 0. So now I have written like this, n plus n by 2 plus n by 4 plus so on. Suppose here I have written in last n over 2 raised to power k, because it is n over 2 raised to power 1. This you can assume is 2 raised to power 2, like this way. So can I write down T n over 2 raised to power k, and before that, what you will be getting, if it is 2 raised to power 2, it is 2 raised to power 1. So if it is 2 raised to power k, before that I can write down one term, that is n over 2 raised to power k minus 1. Okay, now again assume that n is equal to 2 raised to power k. Okay, so if n is equal to 2 raised to power k, this will become your T1. And what's the value of T1? T1 is your 0. This is your 0. So actually you can say this term is not here. You are having this series now, n plus n by 2 plus n over 2 raised to power 2 plus so on n over 2 raised to power k minus 1. Okay, any doubt so far? Yes, beta, any doubt? Yes, and Moldeep, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Anjali, is it fine? Anjali?
Yes, ma'am.
Saurav? Anyone having doubt? Anjali, can you tell me now, you must have done in maths, what is this type of series? You are getting now n plus n by 2 plus n by 4 plus so on n over 2 raised to power k minus 1. This is 0 now. Okay, so this is one particular type of series. I need to take the summation of this. Anjali, can you tell me what is this type of series?
GP?
Yes, that is your GP. Do you know the summation of this? How to take the summation of this GP series? What's the formula of that? Do you know the formula? Okay.
याद नहीं अभी.
Beta, even if I'm calling you, if you don't know, if you have not done your work, then at least you need to say that, yes, ma'am, no, ma'am, I have not done. Okay.
GP
So,
an by an minus 1.
this is the formula that I have written. 1 minute. This is one GP series. The formula is A into 1 minus R raised to power n over 1 minus R. Now, what is A? A is the first term of that series. What is R? R is the ratio. Okay, like in this series, if you can take n as common, if you're taking n as common, it will become 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus so on 1 over 2 raised to power k minus 1. Okay, so you are getting this thing. N is common, 1 over 2 raised to power 0, because 2 raised to power 0 is 1. Plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 raised to power 2, like this way. So this is your first term. This is your A. And what is the ratio? Ratio is you can take this term, second term, 1 by 2 divided by first term. Okay, first term is your 1. So you are getting the ratio R as 1 by 2. So this is your 1 by 2. Because if you will take 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 2, in that case also you're getting 1 by 2. Okay, so this is a GP series where A is your first term, that is your 1, and ratio is 1 by 2. Okay, and how many terms are there? N. What is the value of N? N is the number of terms. Yes, and Moldeep, how many terms are there?
N the value, ma'am?
Yes, what's the value of N? N is the number of terms.
N पिछे कटे 2k.
नहीं, N की value. Like this is first term, second term, third term, fourth term. कितनी terms दी हुई हैं अनमोल? ये देखो.
k minus 1 तक, ma'am.
No, it won't be k minus 1. Anmoldeep, just see, if it is 2 raised to power 0, that is your first term. If it is 2 raised to power 1, that is your second term. Okay, your terms are from, you can say 0 to k minus 1. So 0 to k minus 1 कितना होता है? K.
k तक चल जाना.
हाँ, 0 to k minus 1 na power is there.
Okay.
So 0 to k minus 1 means number of terms are your k. So n is given to be k. So here I'm writing n is k. So put these value. A is your 1. So put this value, these three values in this formula. You will be getting 1 into 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to power k over 1 minus 1 by 2. Okay. So this will become your 2. Okay, and this is becoming 2 into n, 1 minus 1 over 2 raised to power k. Can I write down like this? Now what you have assumed? You have assumed that n is equal to 2 raised to power k. In the previous slide, we have assumed this thing, that n is equal to 2 raised to power k. Now here you are getting something in terms of 2 raised to power k. I don't want that. So instead of writing 2 raised to power k, you can write down here what? You can write down n. Okay, so this would be your 2n into 1 minus 1 over what you are getting? N. Are you getting like this? Is it cleared? Yes, beta. Okay, so I'm going to solve this. Here this equation will become 2 into n. Within bracket you are getting n minus 1 divided by what? Divided by n. So this n will be cancelled with this one. So you are getting 2n minus 2. So this thing you are getting 2n minus 2. So if you want to write down in terms of big O, this is a lower order term. Don't take this. This is the highest order term. Don't take the coefficient of that. So complexity will be actually big O of n. Is it clear? You do one thing. This is your GP series and this is a formula. And I have written all these values. Take the screenshot of this. R is your 1 by 2, N is K, E is 1. Put all these three values in this equation and solve in terms of N. There should not be any K. If you're getting like 2 raised to power K, put N over here. So you will be getting this one, 2N. Don't write down in terms of 2 raised to power K. Write down 2 into N, 1 minus 1 over N. Then you will be getting 2n, n minus 1 by n. This n is being cancelled. You are getting 2n minus 2, and that means big O of n. Okay, so the complexity of this recurrence relation is big O of n. Any doubt in this? Yes. Any doubt in this? Shall I call you one by one then? Yes, Saurav, is it cleared? Write down in chat. Vishali Jassi, 202 roll number. Varsha, 200. Is it cleared? Saurav is not responding today. Yes, Anmol Punch, you can unmute yourself.
यस मैम।
Hmm.
मैम जैसे हमने पिछले वाले स्टेप में जैसे हमने वो जो भी हमने सीरीज लिखी थी तो एन में था टी के ब्रैकेट में n बाय 2 के।
Yes.
तो हमने एन मतलब एन को हमने 2 के पुट किया था तो वो T1 बन गया था। तो हम जब
आप
नॉर्मली करते हैं तो
one
हम एन को जब
1 minute, Anmol. You can put what I have done. I know the value of T1. So you have to assume that n is equal to 2 raised to power k. So this I had assumed that n is equal to 2 raised to power k. So n over 2k will become what? It will become 1, T1.
तो मैम हम जब नॉर्मली करते हैं तो फिर हम वो जो k की वैल्यू है हम उसको लॉग में ले लेते हैं ना।
Huh, k will become what? K will become log 2n. Yes, you are right. Huh? Then what is your question?
तो हमने उसको यूज ही नहीं किया कहीं पे।
क्यों नहीं किया? हाँ तो k को नहीं किया, k को log n नहीं पुट किया, बट 2 raised to power k के
Yes,
तो n पुट किया है ना मैंने, because I need the value of, I have to put everything, Anmol, in terms of n. So in last, when you have solved this equation, you were getting 2 raised to power k. You were not getting k anywhere. Otherwise, do one thing. अगर आपने k की वैल्यू ही पुट करनी है, आप यहाँ पता क्या पुट करो, k की वैल्यू पुट कर दो. What is this? 2 raised to power k. K की वैल्यू है log n. You say 2 raised to power log 2n. Okay?
yes
So
ma'am.
Anmol, you must be knowing from maths that if you are having something like this, 2 raised to power log n to
Yes.
the base 2, it will become actually n.
Yes. Yes ma'am.
Okay? So anyway,
Okay.
you can
Yes,
do
ma'am.
anyway. I think this thing is more simple, that instead of first putting the value of k as log 2n and then cancelling that, you can say 2 raised to
Okay,
power k
ma'am.
is n. Okay?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Any other doubt? Yes, any other doubt? Then I will clear. No. Saurav is saying yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am means Saurav. Is it cleared or not? Fine. Okay, so I will give you some questions related to these recurrence relation, that how to solve and how to find out the complexity of recurrence relation. Okay, I'll give you some questions. Okay. I'm taking some linear search and binary search. I had already taken. Okay, so what I will do, I will take the complexity of this, because now you can find out the complexity of this linear search and binary search. Fine. In linear search, I will take all the 3 cases. All 3 cases means best case, worst case, and the average case. I will tell you that what is the complexity of linear search in best case, worst case, and your average case. Okay. Now, please, one of you can unmute. Okay, Anmol Punch, you only unmute yourself.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Suppose this array is given to you. Okay.
Yes ma'am.
And I'm asking you that what would be the best case complexity of this? Okay, one thing beta, before this, in case of linear search or binary search, or in case of sorting, what is the main operation that we are performing? Main. Actually, we are doing many operations, like we are putting here k is equal to 1, location is equal to 0, if location is equal to 0. But what is the main thing that you are doing? Significant operation kaun sa hai isme? Anmol?
Yes ma'am.
The operation that we are doing maximum number of times. Okay, anyone who knows? I have already told actually.
Loop.
Yes.
Loop ma'am.
No, I'm
For
saying,
loop या while loop.
don't say for loop, while loop. What I'm asking you, forget about all these things. Suppose मैंने आपको दिया है Moldev की, just find out 12 is there or not, 10 is there or not. What you are doing then? You are comparing 12 with what? First element.
The number to
Then you are comparing 12 with 7, 12 with 9, 12 with 12. ठीक है? अब मैंने कौन सा ऑपरेशन सबसे ज्यादा बार किया है इसमें? Comparison.
Compare करेंगे.
Compare करने का.
Comparison.
Okay? So this thing you need to remember, all of you. Okay? In case of searching as well as in case of sorting, what is the main operation, significant operation that I'm doing? That is comparison operation. That means complexity of any searching or sorting algorithm would be the number of comparisons that we are doing in that algorithm. Is it clear? We won't take all these smaller operation, that assignment operation or increment operation. No, there is no need to consider all these things. What is main thing? Main thing is this one, when we are comparing our item with all the members of, with all the items of that array. Is it clear? So Anmol Punj, what is the significant operation in case of searching?
Comparison, matlab.
Comparison. So all of you have to remember
Yes.
this thing, that is comparison. And whenever I need to find out the complexity of any searching or sorting, so complexity find out ka meaning hoga ki how many comparison operations you are performing in that. Is it clear? Okay, Anmol? And all others?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So here, like what I'm asking you, suppose what would be the best case? Now, best case होता है जिसमें आपको सबसे कम comparison करने पड़े. Okay, Anmol, so tell me that in which case you will be getting minimum number of comparisons in linear search. What would
मैम
be that
जब हमने जो
situation?
वैल्यू ढूंढनी है
हाँ.
वो फर्स्ट पे ही हो.
Yes, yes. That means the value that you need to find out, that is 2 according to this array. In that case, you will compare 2 with 2. You are getting the answer. So that is your best case.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Anyone else now? Mohit Kataria or Mridul Sharma? Anyone who can unmute? Madhuka Shukla? Madhuka?
Yes, ma'am.
Mridul. Okay. Who is there? Mridul Sharma.
Little, yes.
Okay, Mridul, can you tell me what would be the worst case?